Is your online presence as vibrant and effective as you'd want it to be? With the ever-changing landscape of the digital world, it's crucial to stay ahead of the curve. This involves understanding key concepts like digital dominance, digital presence, citations, backlinks, and SEO services. Digital dominance is like being the king or queen of the online world. It's about establishing a prominent, commanding position in your industry's digital space. Can you imagine your brand being the first thing that pops up when potential customers search for products or services related to your industry? That's digital dominance. Next is digital presence. Think of this as your digital footprint. It's the sum of all the places where your brand exists online. This could be your website, social media profiles, or any other platforms where your brand has a presence. The larger and more diverse your digital presence, the more opportunities you create to engage with your audience. Citations sound academic, but in the digital world, they are simply online references to your business. These references can come from directories, social media platforms, or other websites. Citations help increase the visibility of your business and boost your local SEO. Backlinks, on the other hand, are like votes of confidence from other websites. When another website links to yours, search engines see this as a testament to the quality of your content. The more quality backlinks you have, the higher your website can rank in search engine results. Finally, SEO services are the tools and strategies used to optimize your online presence. They involve a range of tactics from keyword research and optimization to content creation and link building. The goal of SEO services is to increase your visibility on search engines, attract more traffic, and ultimately drive more business. In summary, boosting your online presence involves establishing digital dominance and expanding your digital presence. This can be achieved by increasing your citations and backlinks and utilizing effective SEO services. Remember, the digital world is a vast ocean, and these strategies are your compass and map, guiding you toward the shores of success.